All right, folks, here we go. Thursday morning. Hope you're doing well. Time to get after it. Let's go. Right now, really quiet start in the market. Overnight session, not much going on. Very similar to yesterday. We're seeing stock market flat, seeing the dollar strengthen a little bit against the euro, against the pound, against the yen. Very muted moves, though. Not a lot of volatility out there right now. A lot of traders starting to pack up, head out for what is going to be a long holiday weekend, Memorial Day on Monday. Just a heads up on that. Most stock exchanges, if not all of them, are closed on Monday. However, Nadex and our FX products will still be open Monday morning. All right, so you can still get in there and trade. We'll be open for business, ready to go. That said, on the economic data front, we do have initial jobless claims coming out this morning. Tomorrow, we've got some key inflation data, so the week's not over yet. Let's get in there, trade some price action, have a little bit of fun. For those of you folks new to Nadex, like I said yesterday, get into demo, try it out. You've got a weekend coming out where we've got plenty of educational videos that you can watch, make yourself a better trader, and get ready to go as we head into next week. Summer's right on our doorstep. Let's get ready. All right, folks, have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.